Time for the Weird and Wacky segment.
Abominable snowman.
He's not an axe murderer.
One of the TAs turned out to be a bot.
First up in Weird and Wacky, mysterious drone sightings in New Jersey prompt security concerns. Here's what we know. I actually haven't read this article, but I've seen a lot of news about it. This is on the nightly news at night. Every night.
I saw it this morning on the Today Show because my wife was watching the Today Show this morning. Saw it on there too. I was like, what's happening here?
So, the FBI has been called in and there are people freaking out, but these drones are not actually doing anything.
No, it's just like drones with some lights on them for some reason, and they're just flying around. There was some speculation that some of them might actually be manned drones as well, like be manned aircraft. At least that was on the article or the news article I saw today.
That's just an aircraft then, right?
Right. I think so. Yeah. The article said, here's what we know. And what we know is basically nothing. That's what we know. And, but we do know that the FBI has said, like, don't be afraid. It's not going to hurt you, which I feel like when you're a government agency and that's your first response, that says to me, like, you should be scared. Like, that's
right. Exactly.
Yeah. It almost
Which one of these have explosives on them that are going to blow up on me? Yeah. That's what I'm worried about. And
So
you don't, when you have a 3-letter agency saying
it's okay,
fine.
It's going to be fine.
Yeah. It doesn't actually calm you at all.
That's not helpful. Yeah.
No.
Next up and last in Weird and Wacky before we get to the really entertaining tech wrecks that are coming. Krispy Kreme orders across the U.S. disrupted after cyber attack. No.
Okay. Listen here, hackers.
Yeah.
Fine that you go after our water treatment plants and our hospitals and all this stuff, but you're going to come after Krispy Kreme?
Yeah. Come on, man.
That is not okay.
You can steal our credit cards and our identities and our hats, but not Krispy Kreme, okay?
You can steal our hats, but you can't have my donuts. I feel like Braveheart now.
They can take our they can take our credit card numbers, but they can never take our donuts. Is that the new line?
Exactly. That's it.